Hey everybody, welcome back to Tony Learns to Cook. Today we're making a very delicious breakfast recipe. Today we're making avocado toast with a little bit of a twist though. We're gonna add a fried egg on top and we're also gonna add a little bit of bacon on it. Let's get to it because it sounds delicious. I am hungry. So the ingredients that we're gonna need are some fresh avocados, some fresh bread. We're gonna need some eggs. We're gonna need some lemon, a little bit of salt, and bacon. The first thing we're doing is we're gonna cut our avocados. Then we're gonna scoop them out with a spoon, and then we're gonna smash them into a bowl. If you're lonely and sad and you're making this recipe for just one person, one avocado should be enough. You crush the avocados until you feel that you should be able to spread it with ease over bread. So I think this looks pretty good. Pretty good to me. Okay, now we're going to add some lemon to the avocado. Probably half a lemon should be enough for these two. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Let's taste it very quick. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. All right, you can either chop it first a little bit and then fry it, and then chop it into smaller pieces, or you can just fry the longer pieces of bacon and then cut them afterwards. Either way works. Okay, now our bacon is ready. Now we're going to drain a little bit of this oil, but not all of it, because we're gonna use a little bit to fry our eggs. Nice and crispy. We're gonna spread the avocado on the bread. Now, make sure you wash your hands. You are going to grab a little bit of the bacon, which I don't have a lot anymore because I've been snacking on it. Then we're gonna sprinkle it on top of the toast, on top of the avocado. Now, egg on top. Ow, 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 ow. And here comes number two. Ooh. And the last step is to add a little bit of salt, tiny bit of pepper, and this is optional, but I really like it. We're gonna add a little bit of crushed red peppers. These are really good. And I think that's it. I think we're done. This looks really good, and I think we should try it. Oh, this is delicious. Amazing breakfast or a great snack or one of those breakfasts for dinner. Easy to make, affordable, fast. Just, just do it. Oh man, it does get a little messy, but it's delicious. That's it for today, guys. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Easy to make, affordable, delicious, fast. What's not to like, right? Make sure you like, subscribe if you like this kind of videos. And I will see you guys next time. I will see you guys next time. I want to finish this. So good. So good. Fantastic.